Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside, and on today's update video I will be discussing the next key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also give you my next upside target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, I have these 5-wave structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 5th of November 2025, terming that initial bounce as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of that second wave, then another bounce in the formation of that wave 3 that didn't quite fully maximize our minimum target areas on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.1888. You can see we came so close to that target area, though we didn't quite fully maximize the area. Then we started a bit of a pullback to the downside in the formation of this fourth wave, and the minimum target area for the wave 4 was between the 0.17698 and the 0.17369, which is that yellow target area, an area that we fully maximized, though you can see that at some point we saw a break of that target area to the lower side, and on that pullback you can see that we saw a retracement into the wave 1 high, and according to the EDU12 structures guidelines, the wave 4 should not retrace into the wave 1 high, and that means that there's a very high chance that this 5-wave structure to the upside has now hit invalidation points, and the alternative scenario is that this bounce right here was just an ABC corrective bounce, having this as the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and then finally topped in the formation of that wave C. And this ABC corrective structure right here could have now completed the formation of that first wave, and having seen the formation of that wave 1 as an ABC corrective structure, there's a very high chance that this movement right here is the formation of a second wave, and the minimum target areas for that wave 2 can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in that first, that is the wave A, all the way to the highs we made in that wave C. And the area to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 all the way to the 618, and that is between the 0.174 and the 0.166, which is that yellow target area, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and we are now getting a reaction of this target area in what could be the next leg to the upside in the formation of a third wave. So there's a very high chance that a wave 3 is now unfolding, and that wave 3, just like the wave 1 over here, can also unfold as an ABC corrective structure. So we can expect a wave A, then a wave B pullback, then finally top out in the formation of that wave C to the upper side. And on that bounce, we first need to see a break above the significant high we made in this wave C above the 0.18765. So in the next coming hours, watch for a substantial break above the 0.18765, flipping that key area back into support, maybe with a retest before we can continue pushing higher. And the minimum target areas for that third wave can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, and the fib 1.618 on the which lies above the 0.22701 will be my next upside target area. So in the next coming hours and days, we need to watch for a substantial break above the 0.18765 to confirm that push to the upside all the way to the 0.22 in the next coming days. Alternatively, if the bears take control and they give us a break below the 0.166, then there's a very high chance that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding, where we can expect a reset of the lows we made on the 5th of November in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the Polygon Matic chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.